Have you ever felt like your monthly salary runs out before the month ends? Or wanted extra income but didn't know where to start? You're not alone. Many people struggle to make their paycheck last while looking for ways to earn more without spending money up front. The good news is you can start earning extra income today with zero capital. Here are 3 practical side hustles anyone can do. One of them could change your finances significantly. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. You'll get personal finance tips, side hustle ideas, and strategies to grow your income with actionable content. 1. Online freelancing. Online freelancing is ideal for anyone with skills like writing, graphic design, translation, video editing, programming, or even simple tasks like data entry or voiceover work. For example, my friend Rena, a literature graduate, started writing articles on freelance platforms without investment. Using only her laptop and internet, within 2 weeks she got her first $20 job for a 500-word article. By the end of the month, writing a few articles weekly, she earned an extra $200, $300. To get freelance jobs fast, create a strong profile showcasing your skills. Include sample work or personal projects. Start with small jobs to earn positive reviews and build your reputation. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Don't have a skill yet? Learn high-demand skills like thumbnail design, video editing, or voiceover work using free YouTube tutorials, then start offering services immediately. 2. Selling digital products or microservices. Unlike freelancing, digital products allow you to create something once and sell it repeatedly for passive income. Examples include ebooks, Canva templates, Lightroom presets, guides, checklists, digital planners, and online courses. My friend Addy made Instagram templates for beginner content creators using free Canva. In 1 week, his first template sold 5 times at $5 each, and by month's end, he earned $100. Digital products need minimal capital, just a computer or smartphone, and can be sold repeatedly. Use free platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Telegram, or Instagram. Focus on one simple, high-demand product, such as a resume template, productivity checklist, or planner. Products that save time or solve problems usually sell best. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you promote someone else's products and earn a commission when people buy through your link. My friend Leah, active on TikTok and Instagram, joined a free e-commerce affiliate program. She posted reviews with her affiliate links. Within 2 weeks, 3 people bought through her links, earning $15. With consistent posting, she now earns $100, $200 per month or more depending on effort and audience size. Success in affiliate marketing requires 3 things. Choose products relevant to your audience, create engaging content like reviews, tutorials, tips, or unboxing videos, and use free platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, blogs, or WhatsApp. This side hustle requires no investment, just creativity and an active online presence. Key takeaways. The 3 zero-capital side hustles are online freelancing, selling digital products, and affiliate marketing. You can start immediately. The only limit is how fast you act. Small efforts today can lead to big financial changes in a few months. Pick one, start, and stay consistent. Action, consistency, and creativity are essential. Start today, and in a few weeks or months, you'll feel the positive impact on your finances. You can increase income, build an emergency fund, or save for bigger goals like buying a house, investing, or starting a business. You don't need large capital or extra time. Use your laptop, smartphone, internet, and creativity. Start small, improve your skills, and don't fear mistakes. Each effort is a step toward higher income and financial security. Side hustles are flexible. Work in spare time, between jobs, or from home while caring for family. You'll also gain new skills like writing, design, video editing, or digital marketing, which can open doors to bigger opportunities. Side hustles also boost confidence. You'll feel productive, gain control over your finances, and notice new opportunities. Many start for extra income but end up discovering passions or building new careers. If serious, pick one idea, focus, and set a goal, like landing your first freelance job in a week or creating your first digital product. Track your progress and evaluate what works. This approach increases success compared to waiting for the next paycheck. Bottom line, zero-capital side hustles are real and achievable. Freelancing, digital products, and affiliate marketing are proven ways to earn extra income. Start now, use what you have, take action, remain consistent, and keep learning. Results may not be instant, but in a few months you'll see real improvement in your finances, and possibly your life.